DJI Air 2. Here's the controller, and using the Samsung Tab S7 Plus 12.4 inch. This thing's beautiful. It's a big tablet. There's how it's hooked up. I've got just that one bracket that goes on there, hooks up onto the back. Got my Yagi antenna, Yagi Uda with the little reflector also. And it honestly doesn't feel that heavy. There's the back. Just that one bracket to put it on. Now I've been using this and also using the Samsung Z Fold 3. It's 12.4 inch screen. It's maneuverable, it sticks, it's not crazy heavy. It's not bad. And then this is what it looks like with my I'll flip it over to the Fold. Okay, so still just Air 2, Mavic Air 2. And so this is now using my Samsung Fold, Z Fold 3, instead of the 12 inch S7, Tab S7 Plus 12.4 inch. So I'm using the smaller bracket, which is, that's the big one with the tablet. Use the smaller bracket. Now this, yeah, it is a little bit lighter. Obviously, it's a little bit lighter and way more portable because I could just bring this. Plus, this has its own data. This is what it looks like, right? And this is also very convenient. I don't know. I like both. For the last few flights, I've been using this one, but then before I got the Fold, I've been using the 12 inch. So either way, if you guys were wondering if you could use the Z Fold 3, yes you can. Well, obviously you could use the Z Fold 2 also, but this is the Fold 3. Focus, dude, focus. There you go. So there it is.